Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Cheburkov, the Wolf, here with me for a quick review and unboxing. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what's in the box. In the box there's, of course, like a certificate of authenticity with the number, serial number, all written in Russian, basically. You can use actually your Google Translate app to stop right over here and just have a translation on the screen. So and then you're presented with this some foam right over here, and just basically your huge beast of a knife. Would you look at this? This is a pretty big one. Let's do it in inches. Overall length, guys, this is almost 10 inches. It's 9.8 inches long with a 4.3 cutting edge and a 5.5 inch long handle. This is a beast of a knife. It's made in Russia. It's a custom Cheburkov Wolf frame lock titanium, beautifully done. It's a custom knife, carbon fiber with shredded carbon fiber scale right over here. Very thick slabs of bronze anodized titanium going on over here. Titanium pocket clip, titanium backspacer. The blade is rust-resistant Damasteel. Nice, really nice drop point, flat grind, sharpening choil, 50% belly, some nice jimping going on. The sound this guy makes is ridiculous. Opening sound, solid. Closing sound, it's like recoiling. It sounds like there's a coil when you close this big boy right over here, and you feel it like in the hand. I mean, this is it's not a light one, guys. This is 7 ounces, so yeah, it's not like a summer pocket in your shorts for sure, but it's a beast of a knife. Like, it's a classy camping knife, I would say, because of the fanciness of this blade. But this is like, I can see, like, I don't know, batoning with this guy is it's that sturdy. Really nice. The pocket clip, it's working very well. Nice tension in this titanium milled pocket clip. The grip is really good. It feels so good in the hand because it's big, nice ergonomically fitted over here. There's some nice chamfering going on. It feels good. There's no hot spots. Action is absolutely astounding, guys. Look at that. It's a beast of a knife, but it's smooth. It's really beautiful. Also, it's running on stainless steel bearings, and it's a good one, guys. But I mean, if you want to know more, just check out my full length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.